My name is Skolles. I'm the project manager for Super PACs. We are designing a backpack for the U.S. Army. With the project time management process, the activity definition is building the backpack with a refrigerator unit and a radio module. Activity sequencing, designing the backpack, ordering the materials, producing the backpack, and delivering the backpacks. The activity duration is our estimated milestones. Schedule development is our start date and our end date. And schedule control, monitoring the status of the project activities, time management. If the project can be completed on time, corrective action must be taken. Adjust future parts of the project to deal with the delays. And this has brought me to our first unplanned event. The refrigerator module is too large for the designed refrigerated backpack pouch. Our other unplanned event, the subcontractor assigned to build the radio module for the backpack has shut down. The effects from the refrigerator module being too large for the backpacks will hurt our budget. The cost of replacing the module would be detrimental to our project. The cost of hiring and using more resources will affect the overall cost. The human capita would be affected. Reestablishing the engineer team to redesign the backpack to fit the module would exhaust resources. Increasing production by schedule compression will cause disgruntled employees and poor quality of work. My course of action, I have created buffers in our planning process for this project. My buffer is to mitigate the risk. When we developed a prototype of the backpack at the beginning of the project and tested it before ordering the supplies, the refrigerator units are warrantied by the vendor and will be replaced, helping keep our budget in check. Aggregate scheduling will help reduce the production time allotted, yet increasing the production, allowing a variance in the November 1st, 2015 production start date. The critical path method and work breakdown schedule. I created a list of all activities required to complete the project categorized in the work breakdown structure, the time that each activity will take to complete, the dependencies between the activities, our endpoints such as the milestones. The critical path method is used to determine what the longest time is to complete the project or phase of the project. Using both the WBS and critical path can give us what tasks we compress working multiple phases at a time. This will help us get to our milestones. Using resource leveling, I will use resource leveling techniques in cooperation with the functional management team to ensure our engineers and resources can produce a new prototype to accommodate the larger refrigerator unit. Our engineer team will use pull planning as a tool to strengthen the scheduling process by helping manage risk through detailed collaboration, planning, and continuous improvement in the development of the Super PACs, and re-examine logic to try to shorten the duration. The effects from the radio module subcontractor shutdown could also affect our budget, cost of the new subcontractor, special order cost to get the new products we need quicker, the cost of the expedient delivery, The human capita will be affected, training the team on a new module. Quality of the work will be compromised with the time constraint. The schedule, production will get behind with lack of needed materials. Delivery milestones won't be met. Future contracts with customers, like the U.S. Army, we want them to renew our contract and keep building these super packs. The new radio module is not approved by the U.S. Army. This could be a problem. Scope creep, or not as durable of a product. The course of action. Using the WBS work breakdown schedule. Before the project schedule was created, I established a work BS worksheet giving us the breakdown of the schedule we need to keep and where we could make some changes using the buffers. Aggregate scheduling will help produce the time frame for the production and increase the volume of production, allowing a variance in the first delivery date of September 1st, 2016. Following the WBS schedule, I found more than one vendor to accommodate the radio module order and increased inventory prior to the production, so we won't get behind. Short interval plan schedules, SIPs. Using this process will help keep our human capital positive and motivated by splitting the operations into specific activities. Develop a time-scaled schedule understandable by field crew and subcontractors to keep on track with our milestones. Building the project schedule is the foundation to this project. Allocating our resources, identifying dependencies, team meetings, milestone reviews, and at the end, performance analysis so we can do the job better next time. Organization, communication, and time management is the key to success of this project. Thank you for your time.